So I'm just checking to make sure the motor fits one last time. So I have to go back a little bit there. I've marked out the engine mount positions using a template. Now this is the real deal. Before I drill and tap for the engine mounts. Yeah, it looks like it's good. So it's a pretty tight fit, as you can see. Very tight. I had to actually make new engine mount brackets, make them slightly narrower to fit into the boat. But that seems to have worked. I had to cut a little bit of the boat away, so just a little scallop either side of the back. But it seems to fit. This washboard gives me access to the front of the engine, to the fuel pump, fuel filter, oil filter, fuel pumps down here somewhere. The water, this is the water pump here. So I can get to most of the main things. That's the air inlet and that's the exhaust. Yeah, and normally this will be cut. And the hatch will be down. Excuse me. So I think that's not too bad. I hope it works. I'm going to just get the motor running. It's a pretty old motor and 2006. Needs a bit of work. Next job.